Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you how to hide, unlist or delete a YouTube video from the web. If you're wondering how to delete a YouTube video from YouTube, take a look at our video. YouTube.com is known as a huge video sharing channel used by millions of users. As we upload many different videos to this giant channel, there may be occasions we need to delete it from time to time. So how do you do it? If you're running a YouTube channel, you might want to clean up early uploads. Older YouTube videos may need to be hidden, unlisted, or even deleted to keep your channel up to date. Here's how to hide, unlist, or delete a YouTube video. How to hide or unlist videos on YouTube. YouTube allows you to set videos you upload as private, allowing you to choose who has access to view it. You can also unlist videos, keeping them visible to users who have the link to it, while hiding it from your channel list in YouTube search results. To do this, open your video on YouTube desktop website just like I did, and my videos are here. And right now, I'm going to do this. Now, and then after that, you're gonna click edit video. But you will need to be signed into the Google account that you're associated with your channel. Don't forget that one. So here, as you can see, it's public right now. So what I'm going to do, we're under the video details menu in YouTube Studio and the built-in video editing tool. This allows us to change the title, thumbnail, intended audience, and visibility options for your videos. Today, we're gonna set our video as private or unlisted. So let me show you this one. To change the visibility of our video or private or unlisted, we're gonna press the visibility right here, and for example, we're gonna do it private, and we're gonna click done when we choose it, and then we're gonna click save to save the changes. Okay, right now the visibility setting will be immediately applied to our video. So right now no one can see our video unless ourselves. But when it comes to sharing our unlisted or private YouTube videos, what should we do? For example, we don't want our video to be showing in our channel, but we need to share it with someone. So in order to do this, we will need to share the direct link to the video. So the video will remain hidden from our channel list or YouTube search, but the person who needs to watch our video will be able to watch it thanks to this one. So for private videos, as you can see, we got to the YouTube Studio the way we did, and we'll need to invite other Google accounts user to view it. So we can do this by pressing here, and you can see that's share privately. That's from here we're gonna click to this option, which doing so will open a new tab with the option to share our video with at once with multiple Google users. So we can just write down their email addresses right here, but actually, let's put one. And now save, when we're gonna click save and go back to YouTube Studio, we're just gonna return and it will be sent. Okay, now we're good. And accounts with access to view this private video will be listed at the top of the share with other box. Select the X icon next to their names or press the remove all link to remove all users from viewing our video. So let's try to see that one. As we saw this is where we did it from. Yeah. So this is how we did it, right? Now, if you remove any users from viewing your video, you'll need to select the save and go back to studio buttons to save your updated sharing options, by the way. And that means, for example, we have put this person save and go back to YouTube Studio. Oh, it's saying it was not found. Why it was not found? It's saying saved, so we're good. And as you can see, we can also do it from here. We can invite people. For example, I will invite my dad. From here, we can, when we choose this, he can view our everything, even the public ones. So we can also do it from here. And when we don't want him to see things, where we have sent our invitation, and we should click save. So this is how we do it. And now we're going to show how to delete a YouTube video. If you want to delete a YouTube video from your channel, you can do this from videos tab in YouTube Studio. This is right where we're at, right? The videos tab will list all of the videos uploaded to your YouTube channel. To delete a video, hover over videos and click the three dot menu icon, right? And when we click this, delete, the deletion, the process will begin. YouTube will ask us to confirm where we wish to delete it, or like forever or not. So if you want to do it, you will click here, and then you will click here to delete your video forever. But if you want a backup for your video, first select download video and then delete forever. So once you click delete forever button, the video will be completely erased from your YouTube channel and cannot be retrieved. And that's not what I want. I want my video to be there, but if you needed help to remove your things, you remove your old videos, this is what you could do. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like our videos. Like my videos so I can keep recording these videos, and I can come back stronger and show you more and help you more. You can ask any question you want under here, under this video, and I will be there to answer your questions. So take care and see you.